Welcome back to the 2020 Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market. We're about getting ready to wrap up here today, but before we leave, we wanted to show you one more vendor. Here we have J. Miller Woodworking, and they do a lot of fun kids beds, and so we're just gonna look at those today. So let's take a look over here. Right here you have your basic single twin mattress bed frame, and it's nice, clean lines.
Beautiful design. Got a little bit of storage here so you can display something, put some toys in there, maybe some baskets, great drawers.
Yeah. The thing about J. Miller Woodworking that I really like, Jordan, is that they really understand storage. So they do a lot of under the bed storage, like this bed right here. This is actually, they have storage right here and then over there as well. And when you think about storage, you think about where am I going to put this bed in a room so it fits, right? And so the neat thing about this bed is that you can see the seam down here in the middle. That seam actually splits, so it makes it reversible. So
you can switch walls.
So you can switch walls,
Brilliant.
Right?
Yeah,
so
I love that.
Because depending on the setup of the room and the doors and the windows, you want to make it customizable.
And they're really understanding parents here with all these storage. You got lots of places for the kids to put toys, put lots of extra blankets, different things like that.
Exactly. Yeah. And then it's really nice because they have a bookshelf here too.
Yeah, I had one of those growing up. Loved my bookshelf. It was such a big deal. Somewhere to put my books after I was done reading for the night.
Yeah.
Alarm clock, all the different things.
Yeah, it's got it all. Let's come over here and we'll look at this platform bed. Again, so this is the platform bed here. Nice bookshelf over there. Again, you see this under the bed storage, so it really makes use of all the space in the room.
Yeah, kids will absolutely love this.
Yeah, definitely. And then last but not least, we've got the bunk beds over here. So
great feature about this is this bunk bed, the top one can actually come down, and now you've got two twin beds. So this was for my brothers and me when we were growing up. We had bunk beds, and once we would start fighting too much about who was on top, Mom and Dad would put them down, and then we were both on the same level. Give us a little bit of variety. We really love that.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah. Wonderful. So as you can see, J. Miller Woodworking really has a lot of different varieties and storage options for families.
It's been a great privilege to be able to work with you and to show you all the different builders here at the market. And I just want to remind you, save the date for next year, 2021. The spring market is going to be March 30th and 31st. So make sure and put that in your calendars. Make sure you plan some time for travel there as well. Great time to come to Amish country and be able to experience the market. And then as well, the other thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be uploading a lot of links and resources to our Facebook page, to our website. That way you've got lots of different details, things that you can do to be able to continue after this. Such as we've got an interactive map of the show. We've got different market vignettes. And again, you can go to the Ohio Hardwood or hardwoodfurnitureguild.com website to get the resource guide. Lots of different things that you can use there. So for Kelsey and me, we're glad to have joined you here. Thank you so much for joining us here at the 2020 market.
Thanks again.